children. Today we will start new chapter energy, and in this video session we will try to understand what is walk. Okay, basically the main focus will be to understand walk, and about this energy, this you know from your lower class. We will try to answer these two questions: what is walk when a walk is said to be done? So let's get started. In our day-to-day life, we do different types of activities such as reading, writing, learning, playing games, watching TV programs and movies, and so on. Besides this, we even do other different types of activities. Do all those activities come under walk? In common language, we can easily say all these things comes under walk. But in physics, everything and anything does not come under walk. In physics, walk has a different meaning. What it is? Let's see. In physics, walk is said to be done when an object moves or gets displaced due to the force exerted on it. Okay, let me give an example. Suppose you have to leave a book. What to do? You apply force on it, and the book gets lifted up. In this case, we can say walk has been done. Let's talk about another example. Suppose you have to lift a chair. If you have to lift a chair, what to do? First you touch the chair, you apply the force on it and the chair gets lifted up. Here also walk has been done. So number one case, in order to do walk, we have to apply force and there has to be effect of force on it. Here what I have said, lifting a book. First example, when you try to lift a book, you apply the force on it and the book gets lifted up. Here the effect of force is clearly seen. Your work has been done. Fine. Work is said to be done even when the shape or size of an object changes on applying force. For example, when you play with slime, you give different shape to it by applying force. There also work has been done. When you take a rubber balloon and try to compress it, there the shape of the balloon changes for a while. Then we can say work has been done. So, in physics, work is said to be done when an object moves or gets displaced on applying force, or shape or size of an object changes on applying force. Let's see a few of the examples. This example I've already discussed. Lifting of a book. When you have to lift a book, you have to apply force on it, and as a result the book gets lifted up. Here is the explanation. When you have to lift a book, you apply the force on the book and the book gets lifted up. So it is said to be walk. Here the position of book changes on applying force. Another example, playing football. Whenever you are playing football, you try to change the direction of the ball by applying force. When you kick the ball, the direction of the ball changes. So we can say work has been done. Fine. There are many other examples where you can say work has been done. For example, lifting a book, lifting table, while lifting an object. In those cases, we can say work has been done. Now let's go to next example. Is pushing on a wall is also walk. Please do think over it. Fine. So far what we have discussed is that work is said to be done when we apply force on it and the effect of force has to be there. So in this case, is pushing on a wall is also walk. Please do think over it. Okay. Pushing a wall is not considered a walk because on pushing a wall it doesn't get displaced, does not change its position despite of applying force. Here what we are doing while you are pushing a wall, you are applying the force, but the effect of your force is not seen. Effect of your effort is not seen on the wall, so the walk is not said to be done. This is the one case of no walk done. Fine. When you can say no work has been done, when you apply force on any object and there's no effect of force on the object. Here the best example is pushing a wall. You can take another example also. Suppose when you are pushing a heavy rock. When you push a rock, it doesn't move at all, but you apply force on it. Okay, we have been discussing another example. What was that? When you are trying to push a heavy rock, you apply force on it. Even on applying force, the position of rock does not change. So this is one more case of no work done. Fine. Let's see another case of no work done. Whenever you are carrying load on your head and you are not moving, that also comes under the case of no work done, because you are carrying load on your head, you are getting tired, but the position is not changing. So carrying a load on your head comes under no work done. Fine. This was all about work done. Now we will move to next topic, energy. And this definition you have been studying from lower class. It is the ability or capacity to do work. We need energy to do work. Yes or no? If we don't have energy in our body, we don't like to do anything. So in order to do any work, we need energy. As simple as that. Work and energy are interrelated. Work and energy are interrelated. If you have to do work, you need energy. If you are hungry for a day and if you are asked to do something, some work, you won't be able to do because you don't have energy left in your body to do. More energy means more capability to do work. If you have to do more work, you need more energy. It's as simple as that. If you have to do work, you need energy. Fine? So in this video, this much. Thank you.